Crystal. Crystal, say hi to the people.
Hello, everyone.
So a couple of months ago, I had one of my monthly sip and spills, and you love this cocktail that we're about to make. Now, you don't really like vodka like that, do you?
I don't, Saba, but you tricked me.
Yeah, she had like five, okay? She had
did.
like 5 cocktails drinking up all my liquor. But I love her, so it's okay.
Yes.
And do you often have blackberries?
Actually, I do. I normally have them in my smoothies.
Okay.
So that's really
Got
my
it.
only get.
Okay. So that means, honestly, this is a versatile drink that a lot of people can try. I love it myself, so let's get started. We already have our glass, and we have a large ice cube. Now, you don't have to have one as large as this, but I love these. I'm kind of obsessed with cocktail ice trays, so this is why we're using such a large one. Now, what you want to do is grab 4 to 5 blackberries and then put them in
4 to 5 blackberries.
your glass. Yes, perfect.
Okay.
So delicately.
I know.
Look at that. She's like,
She didn't even care.
oh my
I wouldn't
God.
do anything wrong.
Okay, no, you're fine. This is perfect. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna bring, or if you can bring me your glass, I'm gonna pour in that lime juice. And then I'm gonna add some simple syrup. Now, do you like your cocktail sweet?
I do like them sweet. I really do.
I do. I love a good cocktail, but it has to be nice and sweet.
Yes.
Okay, so I think we're kind of generous there.
All right, cool,
Okay.
cool.
So now what you want to do is lightly mash up this concoction. We want to make sure some of the juices from the blackberry are mixed in with our other liquids.
You said lightly, right?
Yes. Or you can use a muddler, but we're using a spoon this time.
All right, mashing it up.
Yes. Okay, that's
Mash
good.
it up?
That's yeah.
Yeah. Mash it up. Let's do it.
Perfect. Yeah, this is perfect.
All right.
All right. So now my favorite part, I'm gonna add in the vodka. So you just tell me when to stop because I love a good sippy sip.
Okay. Oh, listen.
It's gonna be an interesting night.
All right.
Perfect.
Mixing it up.
Yes, and then we're gonna top it off with some seltzer.
Okay. That'll give a nice little
Fizz to it.
fizz.
Okay.
Mix it up.
Yeah, mix it up again.
Mix it up.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and make mine off camera and we'll be back to try it together. I grabbed my cocktail so I could join. I didn't want to be left out of the party. So are you ready to try it, Crystal?
I'm ready to try it.
All right, well, cheers.
Cheers.
Bottoms up.
Oh. Listen. Yep, that's just how I remembered it. That's what got me lit the first time. I like it. I really like it.
Yay! See, super simple.
No,
Yes.
it was really easy. Wait, so what made you choose this for your sip and spill?
First of all, I just love vodka. Let's just put it out there.
That's yours.
That is my favorite, choice
Right.
to have for a cocktail.
Gotcha.
So vodka is always going to be the first thing I look for. And I also love having fresh fruit. I think it just adds that natural sweetness to your liquor or your cocktail, and it's super simple to incorporate. You can grab any of those fruits at the local grocery store and make the cocktail really special. The other thing, thank you.
I remember why.
I'm having flashbacks, okay? Right. This is like exactly what happened a couple months ago. And the other thing is, I love the fact that they incorporate simple syrup. So there's so many different low carb options, whether you're on keto or just carb conscious like me. There are so many great simple syrups out there, so I suggest going on Amazon or just doing a quick Google search. You can find something that works for this recipe.
All right.
And it's easy. You don't need a lot of ingredients. Okay, well, cheers. So, guys, thanks so much for watching. We're gonna go, well, she's already started back on this cocktail. If you want to see more cocktails, let me know in the comments below and like this video. As always, don't forget to go to my website, savoringwithsaba.com, to get the full ingredients list. Again, that's savoringwithsaba.com. And oh, don't forget to subscribe somewhere down there. And until next time, everyone, happy savoring.
Happy Saturday.
Okay, then back into the business at hand.